think even when the ministers are here, we shall agree. The next time it happens and we take 1 hour before the meeting commencing, we adjourn. Whether it's budgeting time, whether it's what, we adjourn, because it's not the best way to work. Thank you. Otherwise, I didn't intend to start our first date with such harshness. But otherwise, feel free. When we are here, I think, PS, with your guidance, do you think we should start without the ministers?
Honorable Chairman, honorable members, allow me just make the final call.
Please make the final call and get back to us. We can start without
them. Say people have built in road reserves. Do you know that people have built in wetlands, road reserves, forest reserves? Kampala, there are places where 2 cars cannot pass. You go to Muyenga, it's a rich man's slum, created many years and over time. At least in the last 15 years, all this chaos has been created. Reversing it is very difficult. So for me as the Minister for Urban Development, I keep saying we have to move this capital city, period. Where Kampala has reached, nobody can manage to change it. It can even be difficult for our own creator to change the dynamics of Kampala. But if we moved MDAs out of Kampala, we would have some space. People, the turnaround time for people to deliver in this city costs us $1.4 billion every year that we lose to time. You leave your house at 4 a.m. in order for you to drop your children at school by 7 and be at office by 8. That time that you have wasted on the road, and then another 4 hours, 8 hours are wasted in traffic jam. This can only be cured by one thing. And I want to give you an example. Many countries have done this and they have succeeded. Look at South Africa. South Africa has 3 capital cities. They have Pretoria, where the whole government sits. They have Cape Town, where Parliament sits. And they have Bloemfontein, where the judiciary sits. Isn't business going on? What does it cost us to remove the judiciary from Uganda and say, go to Hoima, stay there, all cases will be adjudicated in Hoima? Whoever has a case will go to Hoima, don't they? Don't they come to Kampala for the same services? Just say Parliament, go and sit like in Gulu or Lira or Nakasongola. Get out of the heart of Kampala. Then you have Entebbe for the executive, because those ones need to be close-knit within government. There is also e-governance. We sit here, we have meetings when we are not even face-to-face.
Honorable
we
Minister,
can go on Zoom.
Please, you have gone with that. You need to highlight on that. Please update the document, share it with us with acronyms on the separate page. Secondly, honorable colleagues, if you may agree, I propose, starting next week on Monday, we meet our stakeholders in their departments. I have seen here in the document, you said the ministry implements its programs and projects through 11 departments categorized as sub-programs. I would propose, I know Honorable Minister once said there is cabinet.
There is cabinet on Monday, but if it's okay.
Honorable Stella, you allow me grant vice.
Land by the land people. Can we ensure that there are notices of how much there's
Tubadde of course twogera ku byettaka bya ministry nga bwe biri generally. Twogedde ku ttaka, twogedde ku bibuga, ne twogera ne ku ngeri gye tukolamu emirimu. Tetusobodde kumalayo byonna. Ne tukkirizganyiza nti wiiki ejja ku Lwokubiri tugenda kuddamu tujje nga batunuulira kitongole ku kitongole ebiri mu ministry, bongere okumanya ba members ba parliament emirimu gye tukola, bizibu ki bye tulina, nangeri ki gye tusobola okolaganira awamu nabo okulaba nti tugonjoola ensonga ezikwata ku ministry. Ekyo mbagambye nti weekiri era weekibadde tukola kye tuyita okunoonyereza ne tuzuula kyapa kiriwo ekitudde ku kirala kubanga ettaka lirina okubeera n'ekyapa kimu. Ate era tukimanyi nti ekyapa bwe bujulizi obulaga nti ono yenannyini ttaka. Kati abakugu banoonyereza ne bamanya kiriwa ekyatula ku kinnaakyo. Definitely oba ettaka bwe liba nga lirina ebyapa bisatu, ekyapa ekiba kyasooka okukolebwako kyekiba ekyapa ekituufu. Bino ebirala ebiba bizze nga bituulako biba birina okusazibwamu either by court oba commissioner akola ku by'ettaka ebiseera ebisinga. Naye kati essanyu lye tulina nti president yagamba tuleete kye tuyita blockchain technology, era kampani weeri bakola na bastaafu bange mu ministry okulaba engeri gye tugenda okutandikamu okulambika bannayuganda n'okubasomesa n'enkola okutandika okukola. Era enkola eyo tusuubira nti omwaka guno ogenda kubanga etandika. Of course yatandika dda, babadde ku paperwork na kutunuulira ministry nga bweri ogenda mu MZO offices, naye kati twagala batandika okuba nti batandikira ddala okulaba nti ebyapa biteekebwa ku tekinologi oyo wa blockchain. No, blockchain agenda kukola omulimu munene nnyo okulaba nga akuuma ettaka ly'abantu. Kubanga tulabye abantu abatya nti ettaka lyabwe terikubiddwako kyapa, ne weesanga ng'omuntu omu omubbi oba omukujjukujju avudde gy'avudde n'akuba ekyapa ekyalo kirambo ba sub-county nambe byo tubirabye nabyo. Kati kye tulina okukola kwe kulaba nti tubasomesa n'okuleeta eyo tekinologi ajja okuyamba nti singa kiba kikubiddwa teriiwo asobola kisangula. Okuggyako gwe nannyini kyo nga gwe olina okugenda mu system n'ogamba nti olina enkyukakyuka z'okola, oba oyagala kutundako, nga gwe kennyini gwe weekolera ebyo byoyagala bibe nga bikolwa ku ttaka.
Well, we have had a brief interaction with the ministry today, and we have discovered many gross issues, many glaring issues. Issues of double titling, issues of multiple titles on the lands, issues of slums, issues of deficits in housing, issues of garbage, and yet we found ourselves with so limited time and have agreed to break it down into small departments so that we tackle issue by issue, starting with the issue of lands. The many ad hoc committees that are out there, all operating and coordinated and regulated, and all of them taking away money which would have been directed and put to one entity and which could do a better job. So in the course of next week we shall be interrogating them deeply and trying to understand why there is much confusion in the sector of lands. Thank you.
Erizoba turi mu committee ya lands na hayo kwetombwitwa abo kuba lands nekora double titling narita karimwe kurtaho ebyapa bibiri kandi lands eyine computer nari system etakatire ecyapa ekindi ero kubasa kureba ngo aho already haruwe cyapa. So nyona suggestinga ngo ministry nari minister wa lands nari stakeholders nubo baretira abantu obuzubu bashange cyapa okisayiningire kandi habire haruwe kindi kandi na system ebere nekereka ogogwo immediately bamuteko mu kihomi bakamusaba haruho ndijo orukubasa kugaruka gukora ebyapa double titling. Abwo kuba twakireba ngo bari abarukora ebyapa bya double titling nabakoregana n'aba lands kwenda ngo bije bafune compensation. Icyo koreberaho omuntu kufuna ecyapa cya Uganda Land Commission akakita Amairo Land abwo kugira ngo bamuhereze itaka bakishanga ngo rede ruhe cyapa kindi then ashaba government ngo abwo kubeka ya moro ketingira itaka mwene hater mwampire real fire mumpere zerindi kitakwenda mu compensating government eshanga ya mu compensating sente nyingi ejo syndicate yo bushuma tuyikerezana hano yo murandizi ekirungi minister n'abakoba yanshabe mpapara ezamataka gundu kumanya n'abandi twagakunganya twagamuhereza orwa kabere kwarije hano ya omukomiti atine ansa y'amataka gagubakozere double titling ntuza kumugambira abanza garke.
Aba Ministry of Lands tusangire mu bintu bingi muno amataka nusangita kale muri ne byapa bisatu mabara gatakusana twine ebizibu bya garbage rundi oburofa, twine ebizibu bya lack of plans, amakanisa galahehi na maka g'abantu, etoko ibakweta noise pollution, ebyo byona bitu esangire twine obwire buke, so nabwe twasindika abakozi ba ministry bagarukeyo, then next week baije tujja kubachwamu mu departments zabo obukunde butetaito nuko tuinterrogating issues zinu tubakaguzeho muno ekingwireho ekyakiro kino. Aba ministry nibagamba baine up to date technology, bitu baraba baine up to date technology habwake omuntu omu nasobola kutunga echap haitaka liyo omuntu wondi yasangira kitungira runde bya papsatu bijja haitaka lemu, so tujja kubantu bakaguriza muno kwetegereza habwake nikibaho kandi tuzonzole nibaba kikora kandi habwake ba ministers batakatekingire action kubinga abantu bakikora kankuno omuntu bakuba najja kikora na loginga in bamurango logire in na issuinga title erroneously bamuleka nasigala mukozi wa government, so tujja kontu interrogatinga to making sure ngo minister ya prevailinga overtaking people bakore bintu takira mutyo mungu
ninyenda kumanya ekyo nikiza cyakiri wa honorable Margaret nkeitwe new cities atwinire plan ki ebintu ebimwe babitaho nabireba which made riyo neza kukora konka twenda mo plan about our cities especially these new ones. So mbwenu orwa kabiri ekirungira muza kuba muri yaha nitwe ntuza kuba twashikireho ntwenda kumanya buri kimwe cyona ekiri kugenda mu meisho ahabikwatirine n'amataka government ko kuza kuba noreba system Uganda ni yeine system erukukira yo kuba nungi waji comparinga ne ya Tanzania konka n'icyo buzu kushanga ngo Tanzania hariyo bamataka nk'abaryaho mu Uganda. So uyebuza habwencho kuyo minister haine kintu kiyagamba konka yaba nasibura nagende kintaba convinced with ngwe cyapa no bwo kukitamu no kideleting account bakakumanya, which means that system is not working. No bakitamu or kukideleting to kumanya, then what is that type of system? Therefore nibinje bishemerere kukorwa aha Ministry of Lands kani manya kani impamya ngo ntuza kubikora ubu okubaka kachiko akuturho tekwa kwija kureba ngo twakora those issues okutya ahituraziterera muheru mwe bari munonga.